In order to obtain a 360-degree photo with spherical mapping to use as a background in perspective view, we can proceed in different ways. If we are accustomed to mobile applications for Android or Apple platforms, we can use a wide variety of apps, such as Photosynth for iPhone or Panorama 360 for Android. These apps can be downloaded from the relating app stores, and with which we can automatically compose single shots and obtain a 360-degree panorama photo. Another method is to use our digital camera and take single shots, which will then be merged together with software such as Microsoft Image Composite Editor. Accessing this web page here, you can download the program, choosing between 32 and 64-bit versions, and then install it on your PC. Of course, the first step would be to take the photos. To obtain a decent result, these photos should be taken using a correctly leveled tripod. The photos must be then taken in sequence from top to bottom, taking care to slightly overlap them with each other. Once the first sequence is completed, we will then need to rotate the camera, again making sure that the next sequence will overlap the previous sequence on the right edge. Now we can repeat the procedure from top to bottom and take the next group of photos. This complete procedure will have to be repeated until we cover the entire landscape. Now that we have all of our photos, we can save them to our PC in a specific folder and then load them into Microsoft Image Composite Editor to create the new panorama photo. As you can see, the photo stitching process automatically adapts the photos to each other to form the panorama photo. Now with the generated image, we can now crop it with the edit tools to define the format, quality and size. A good resolution that gives excellent results should vary between a minimum of 3000 and a maximum of 6000 pixels. So with the defined format, you can now save the image to disk. Going back to Edificius now, we can load the panorama image and set it as a background. And now displayed in the perspective play structure view, from where we can also launch a render.